Hey guys, it's Ryan here with Pool Rescuers. Wanted to shoot this quick video. We're going to be doing a startup on this pool for a local pool builder. It's just one of the things we do here in the area to help our revenue stream. I wanted to reach out to a few of you guys that are leaving comments for us on YouTube. I really appreciate that. Helps us with the video. I would have never thought of shooting a video like this on how I train my guys if it wasn't for you guys commenting and asking questions on our page. So I appreciate that. For the longest time, I used to get so busy to the point of where I needed another service tech, and then I would hire a service tech. And what I found was there was a lot of time in between where I was running out, my techs were doing overtime, and it was a very stressful period of time. So I recently came up with an idea, or a way, I call it my Mr. Miyagi way of training, is when we're good, everybody's full, everything's set, I go ahead and hire a guy on. Pay him a little less because I consider him my shop hand. He rides in everybody's trucks, he stays at the office, helps around the office, comes on sites like this, and just learns. He doesn't have a route, he doesn't have a specific job each day. I just pass him around to each one of the guys, and he learns everybody's different techniques and gets to see a wide variety of ways of doing things. And then when the time comes, if someone calls off, if someone quits, if we have to hire somebody, he's there ready to go, and knows what to do. If he doesn't perform well, or I see that he is kind of skittish or scared, I do kind of throw him in areas where out on route, even if I don't need him, one of my service techs will come in, help me with something, and I'll just throw him out there for the day and just train him and get all different perspectives on how to do things. And I've found that that's a much easier way to hire. It does take more money to do that, because you don't have a position for it, so you do have to dig into your bottom line a little bit and retrieve that income to pay an individual like this. But I found that it's much better to do it this way than to wait until you need someone, try to find someone, try to hire someone, train them, and then put them out on route. This way is a lot slower, and it's a lot easier, and it takes a lot of pressure off of all my guys. So thanks for watching these videos. I'm going to go ahead and get on this startup. It's going to take quite a while, but please keep commenting, ask questions, suggestions on videos. I enjoy doing this. I always have the camera in my truck ready to go, so just keep skimming. Thanks guys.